Welcome to our channel. If you want to buy Ethereum using a prepaid card, follow these step-by-step instructions to purchase ETH with this payment method. Step 1. Ensure your prepaid card is activated and loaded with funds. Verify that it can be used for online purchases and has sufficient balance for your intended purchase. Step 2. Choose a cryptocurrency exchange or platform that accepts prepaid cards. Options include Coinbase, Binance, and various peer-to-peer marketplaces. Step 3. Create an account on your chosen platform and complete the required verification process. Some platforms have different verification levels based on payment methods. Step 4. Navigate to the buyer deposit section and select credit/debit card as your payment method. Most platforms treat prepaid cards the same as debit cards. Step 5. Enter your prepaid card details including card number, expiration date, CVV code, and billing address associated with the card registration. Step 6. Specify the amount of Ethereum you want to purchase. Review the exchange rate, processing fees, and total charge to your prepaid card. Step 7. Confirm the transaction and complete any additional security verification required by the card issuer. Your Ethereum will typically appear in your wallet within minutes. Keep your prepaid card receipt for records. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.